What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to use trim on iOS. Have you got an iPhone or an iPad? Here's how to get started with trim on iOS. First, open the App Store and search for Trim Money Assistant. Once you find it, tap download and wait for the app to install. After installation, open the app and sign in with your trim account. If you don't have one, you can tap create account and just follow the prompts. The iOS version of Trim is designed to be clean and intuitive. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of your finances, spending, subscriptions, savings goals, and alerts all in one place. Use the bottom navigation bar to move between tabs like spending, subscription, savings, and settings. iOS users can also take advantage of Face ID or Touch ID for quick, secure logins. You'll find that option under Security and Settings and Security. Also, Trim also supports push notifications for bill reminders, savings tips, and spending alerts. Just make sure notifications are enabled in your iPhone settings. And that's it. Trim on iOS puts financial control in your pockets wherever you go. Stay tuned for the next tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how to use Trim on Android. That's pretty much it for the video guys. If you liked it, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.